Oh, what a nice, beautiful day. Nothing's gonna, no adventures, no nothing. Just me and my chair in the shed, and this little boot thing. No zombies to fight. No nothing. Just me and my shade. Peashooter, peashooter, peashooter. Let's go. What? The zombies are crazy days. Okay, well first the crazy they found out that his Thomas collection that has 7 trains in it is worth $1 million. $1 million, that's impossible. Thomas trains are really useless. Korea has a bunch of them. Hey, I don't like you anymore, I'm gonna make you stupid. You can't do that. It's okay. Hey, are you stupid? Turn your back, please. Okay, okay. And the zombies took all 7, so you have to go find them. Okay, let's. Sunflower and peashooter and Sunflower's adventures. Blah. Obama. If we start our adventure, oh no, it's the zombies. I've seen them. I'm not a zombie. Yes, you are. Let's go. Look at them. Well, guys, I'm bored. What are we doing? Shut up, lawnmower man. I hate lawnmowers. This neighborhood's so busy. Why? Well, maybe we should go to get a private house so we don't have to listen to all this noise. But no. What's the business? No neighborhood. Look at this house. This is the proud house. We were in the last film, and my butt. No one noticed my button fell off. Okay. So I had to hot glue even though I'm viewer, so is that mommy? Yeah. Mommy, no one likes you. Why? You're the first zombie in the game. You're really weak. And cowboys are better because they have more variants and they look much better than you. So, like my Buckethead looks good. Everyone, but you and Coney looks good too. So go away. We don't like you. Oh, hi, Lo. You like me? Yeah. Oh no, the plants are here. Big bee, I'm here. Oh, it's mommy. Oh. The sun. Okay, mommy, you'll be my human shield. Be my shield. Ow. I'm dead too. Wait, I need a chance. Sun powers. Oh. You can't get me. I'm stuck to the ground. Me too. I'm stuck right here. That did not work as planned. I'm going to die, probably. I'm still alive. Take this. Ow! You hit her. Ooh! Gotta get this. Gotta get that. Nothing can stop me. Cause I'm the baby. Ow. Where? That's the wind. It's blowing me away. This is what happens when you have a cowboy hat. And a fire blow. Oh. Wave 1 defeated. Well, I don't know. Item unlocked. What is this? Okay, let's go to the next area. Let's just leave that there. Hopefully there's no boss that's gonna take it. Let's go. Come on, Sunflower. Let's go, Sunflower. We're going on to the next area. Yep. That's nice. The creator is making this later in the day because it's much cooler. Let's go. They're back? Oh no. It's our worst nightmare. It's the night zombie. Guys, like, Like, I know we're supposed to be attacking, but look, I lost my button, so I'm actually unique in all of you. And also, we're attacking later in the day. We made a video earlier. We got deleted by accident. Yeah. Oh, I see the plants. We should go attack them. Yeah, we should go attack them because I want to attack them. Yeah. Why does your voice change every 5 seconds? I don't know, because I don't care. Let's go attack. Yay. Kelly likes to attack plants. Ow. Wee. Stupid pad. What the plow? Pie. I didn't die. Ho. Uh-oh. Up the world. Right. I will defeat you. The great. Mommy. Ain't. Take it this. Oh. Hey, Kim ones, I'm gonna say it today. Yeah, yippee-ki-yay. Yeah. Get your hands off me. Oh! It's him. Yeah, it's me. It's me, the Knights Army. We must fight for the great King and Queen of England. What are you gonna do now? Because I'm the great king. I'm fighting for the great King and Queen of England. We need something. I see a sea packet. Hey, peashooter, it's me, Bang Chewy. Oh, you need me to take care of the zombie? Hey, zombie, you're stupid. And the great king. The great king? They're not stupid. The great king and queen of England are not stupid. I'm going to fight you for the great king. Ow. Take that, stupido. I'll stay here, peashooter, making sure no more zombies come. You gotta go on. Keep going on. Okay, let's go. Hey, peashooter, we didn't get a fair chance. So we're gonna attack you. Just die. It's eating me alive. Oh, God. Oh, you don't like that? You don't like that? No, please. I'll be mercy. Mercy! It's pulling me under! Run away! Take that. And for you. Hop! It didn't eat me. It's eating me too. Didn't eat me. Wait. No, strawberries! Whoa! Oh, that new strawberry one's gonna be useful. A bunch of these dead. Let's go into the next area, actually. The plants are coming. We gotta hide. Even though we just respawned. Oh, we're in a tree. They'll never see us. Maybe they won't see me. Let's send out to Coney first. What? No, Norm. Fine, I'll go out. Haynes. Hey, maybe you get my hide with you? Sure. Okay. Oh, my face. I'm not really good at hiding trees. I'm really good at hiding ships. Okay, let me go. Get your hands off me. Ow. The zombies. I just considered them. Hi, Mommy. You guys want to be my friends? No. Oh! You don't deserve to be with them. Why? You deserve to... Hey, Cody. Hey. No one likes you. Names. Hey, Psau. What? How are you hitting me? Go back in the tree. Oh no, we're all falling out. No, get back in the tree. They're tree monsters. Oh, yeah, Tony. I must go back in the tree. my face. Me too. We belong with the tree. We belong with the tree. Okay. I got an idea. Let's take the left. I'll take the right. Okay. Let's go. You don't think they see us, right? Of course not. We're one with the tree. You know, I can see you. Ow, 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 ah! Ow! Boing! Boing, 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 oi, oi, oi! I'm going to attack you! Escalon! Ooh. Let me go help Sunflower. We're people with the tree, so get away from us. I'm already dead. What else can I do? Stupid. Yar! It's be me, matey. Who are you? I'm the pirate. Oh yeah. Ow! No one can see me, because I'm a cone tree. I'm the very rare species of coney, but in a tree. My head is flying on. I don't care. I'm very rare species. So, no sunflowers? Oh, I get to be one with the tree. One with the tree? Hey! Hey! Ah! Oh, let me go meet up with Peashooter. Sunflower, I did good. Look at the zombies. Oh, ay, ow, shimmer me timbers. No one likes you. Oh, no. Seriously, no one likes you. Ah, let's go. The zombies are defeated. It's Night Zombie. Oh no. I have to run. I gotta run. Zombie base. I'm so fat. I had 3 XL pizzas last night from Domino's. Hopefully the plants don't come. Holy crap. Dun dun. This is Zombie's Fortress. Hey Coney, you wanna see a trick? Wee-oh! I do suck, but I'll get back going. The plants are here! Attack! What? Plants are here? How did they find our secret? Night Zombie, you're not getting 3 XL pieces tonight. You're only getting 1 box. No! A huge wave of zombies are coming. Attack! Sunflower, you take those zombies. I'll take these zombies. Okay, let's go. No. Oh, hi. Ah! No one likes you. Ah! No one especially likes you. Wait, what? No, the plants have found us. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Don't worry, man. I'll play a song. Yeah. Hello. Get your butt. Get your body out of here. Oh, I gotta get between the logs. Man, this is really slippery. Oh, you can't get me. Now you're stuck. Wait, what? Oh, I am stuck. Ow, 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 ow. I don't like coffee. Oh, spare me. Ow. watch out for you, man. Oh. Oh. What is he grabbing us? Ah. I don't really feeling fine, you guys. So, oh. What the? That's. Ow. 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 Bunch of weaklings. Sunflower, I beat the zombies, did you? Yeah, it was kind of hard. Mine's really easy. I just went like, bah, 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 bah. I've seen their bodies disappear. Where's the next area? Well, the last area would be over there because we're in the pool we don't go to. But maybe one of the areas is at the pool. True. I think that's the final area, and that's the second to final area. Let's go over there. Okay. So far, why did we not go over there like we said we would? Because the creator did not want to. Okay. Who is this creator? I don't know. But hopefully he gets a new version of me because I look ugly. Okay. Let's just look at the pool. Ew, look at all those leaves. Well, there was a big storm, so the creator had to clean the pool. Well, he's like only like, don't say his age. But we all know, shut up. Yes. And we might get some new friends soon. Why? Because I said so, just shut your mouth. Okay. Let's just, let's see where the zombies are. Let's go find them. Okay. Okay, so I don't see the zombies anywhere. They're all over there. Look! All of them are back. But where's the boss? Let's go check them. Let's go. I love singing for me. I like playing my music guitar. Ow! I'm waiting. What are we supposed to be waiting for? My boss will be coming. No one cares about you, so shut the heck up. Oh, my scarf is not working right. My hair's flipping inside out. Oh, I gotta fix my scarf later. Wait. No one cares about you, so shut up. Yeah, we don't really kind of care for you. You're just another basic, but you're less cool. So yeah, no one really cares for you. Wink, wink. Yeah, I kind of forgot about him. I forgot he even existed. Really. Yeah, me too. He's pretty stupid anyways. It's really windy today. Hey, zombies. The plants are here. We're gonna defeat you guys. No, we're not. He's right. He's coming. He's right there. Who? What? It's I. Rah, zombie. Rah. Or the pharaoh, or the sun pharaoh. And they said, I just call myself Rah Zombie, Rah. I'm the sun. Well, I'm the sun zombie. I don't know what my name is actually. I forgot. But I'm the Rah Zombie. I would defeat you guys. Or the sun gods. Sun gods, give me power. Ooh-la, 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 ooh-la. Zombies. Let me go attack them. Ah! It's the sun god. Oh no. Yes, how did you get back up here? I literally climbed the way back up here. So what the heck? What you just shoot? Zombies attack! I gotta go climb up my foot. Zombies attack! Run! I gotta run. Brain! Oh no! Run! Run. So what are we gonna do? We gotta attack them. Let's attack! Even though we were running away. Plants will defeat you. Sunflower, this is too bad. You take the left. I'll take these ones. Ow! Oh, you didn't hit me. Ow! Stop it! Ow! How about you go with him? What are you doing? I'm charging up. Already died? Dang it. I knew I should have got the zombies off eBay. They're more stronger and cooler like me. That is really racist in Plants vs. Zombies. Tony? Yes? Going. Okay. Whee! Let's go! Whee! He's not gonna last out for a second. You go too wide. No one likes you. Alright. Yes. This is a good spot to hide. No. Not a good spot to hide. Spider's been there. This will be a good spot to hide. No one will ever notice me over here. Because no one expects the sunflower to be right here. I hear them coming. Wait, where is she? Yeah, where is she? Where is she? Let's keep looking for her. Really that stupid? Well, let me go hit Coney with a stick. Looking for me? Sorry, bye. Leap. What? How? Run! Ah, no. Wow. Guys. Hey guys, you want me to crash the party? What? You just killed Coney. No, attack! Ah! Attack her! Off the tomb! They're all gonna die. I know it. We know you can. We can hear you, man. Yeah, that's not very confident. Confidence. Oh, oh, oh. No, please, please, please. I have innocent. Oh. 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 Ah. I missed. No. Boing. How did you defeat my zombie so quickly? I guess it's time to battle me. Dun, 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 dun. So if I was battle him, I'm going to use a spell with my sun powers to make you guys fall asleep. Didn't work because I'm a sun planet. What the? Ow, 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 ow. That's really effective. Didn't trip. Okay. Just gotta ow. Gotta go get him. Stay away. No. Pshow, 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 pshow. Charging up. The sun with the powers of the sun gods. Come back here. Get back here. Ow! Meaty booty. Oh no! Ow. I will not be defeated by a stupid sunflower. Ow! So do not attack my friends and just put them to sleep. Oh, I'm really low. I need to get to the sun. No, the sun's going away by the clouds. Solar beam. Wait, what? No. No. Okay, duck. No. I've been. Ow. That hurts really bad. Ah! The sunbeam hurts. Oh. Ah! Ow. 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 Stop hitting me. Please. I am the sun god. Wait, no, I summon. Wait, I'm not the sun. Wait. Ah! Why do I always keep flying? The ground twice. Now I actually die. Sun Raw zombie defeated. Yes, peashooter. Get out of here, no one likes you. Ah! Peashooter? Well, I'm okay. Let's go see if he has the Thomas. Okay. Sorry, this time. Let's see if he has it. Oh, he has the Thomas. Okay, we got one Thomas. Let's put this in our bag. So we got one Thomas. A couple more to go. Okay. Where's the next area? I don't know. I think it's inside the house. The house, but we just came outside. I think it's in the garage or the house. Okay, let's go. Bye, Rise Zombie.